Hi, it's Chris. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the Deli Drawer in your LG refrigerator. Removing and reinstalling the Deli Drawer is really easy and it does not require any special tools. Keep in mind if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. Some of the reasons you'll be looking at removing the Deli Drawer is typically just for cleaning purposes. But through normal wear and tear over time, some of these drawers may crack or break and you need to replace it for that reason. So to remove the Deli Drawer, of course, you're going to want to open up both doors of the refrigerator so you get full access. And as well, any product that may still be inside the Deli Drawer, you're going to want to remove and set to one side. And then it's just a matter of reaching, taking a hold of your Deli Drawer and open it as if you were looking to take more product out. And as it gets toward the full extent of being opened, you're just going to raise the front a little bit, continue pulling out, and your Deli Drawer will be released from the tracks in the back, and now you can either clean or replace the Deli Drawer. Reinstallation is just as easy. You're going to bring your Deli Drawer into position, you're going to bring the back end where the wheels can actually sit onto the tracks, and then you're going to lower down the front, and then push the Deli Drawer into place like you normally would, and you're all set to go. Now you can open it up, put your product back in, and then close up your refrigerator doors. So there you go. It's just that easy to remove and reinstall the Deli Drawer in your LG refrigerator.